Salamat po sa mga taong nagbabahagi ng salita ng Diyos sa social media. Lagi ninyong sineshare yung mga homily namin dito. Salamat sa inyo. Baka hindi ninyo alam, yung binabahagi ninyo na salita ng Diyos ay nakapagbibigay ng liwanag sa isang taong dumaraan sa dilim.
My dear brothers and sisters, there were some sociologists who said that one notable difference between Westerners and Filipinos could be seen in the way we greet each other when we encounter each other, for example, on the road. When we meet each other, makikita mo daw ang pagkakaiba ng isang Westerner sa Pilipino kung paano tayong magbatian kapag nagkakasalubong tayo. Westerners, when they meet each other, when they come across each other, would usually greet each other by asking, "How are you? How's your day?" Ganyan daw sila magbatian. Mga Westerners, pag nagkita, "Oh, how are you? How's your day?" Pero tayong mga Pilipino, iba daw ang pagbati natin kapag nagkakasalubong tayo. Hindi natin tinatanong, "Kumusta ka?" Ang tanong natin kapag nagkasalubong tayo, "Saan ka pupunta?" Where are you going? Di ba, pag nagkasalubong tayo, sasabi, "Oh, saan ka pupunta? Saan ang lakad? Saan ang punta?" And so these sociologists concluded that we Filipinos are inherently and naturally interlopers. Alam niyo po ibig sabihin ng interlopers? Ang gandang salita. Ang ibig sabihin, pakialamero at pakialamera. Kapag nasa ibang bansa po kayo at may nakasalubong kayong national nung bansang yon, subukan niyong tanungin, "Hey, where are you going?" Baka masimangutan tayo. Baka sabihin sa atin, "Anong pakialam mo?" Kaya tayo daw mga Pilipino, dahil ang tanong natin palagi, "Saan ka pupunta? Anong lakad? Saan ang punta?" Mga pakialamero at mga pakialamera. Ano nga namang pakialam natin kung saan pupunta? But this is the question that we are asking today as we celebrate the ascension of the Lord. Our question is, where are you going? Saan ka ba pupunta? We ask this question to Jesus. We ask Jesus today, "Lord, where are you going?" And our readings this Sunday tell us that Jesus is going to heaven. In our first reading and in our gospel, we heard how Jesus, before his disciples, ascended into heaven. And according to St. Paul in our second reading, there in heaven, Jesus sits at the right hand of the Father, and the Father gives him all glory, all power, all authority, and all dominion over all the earth. Where is Jesus going? To heaven. Because he came from heaven, today he returns to heaven. He came from the Father, today he returns to the Father. Jesus goes to heaven because that is the reward of those who are faithful in obeying the Father's will. Lord, where are you going? And Jesus shows us today where he is going, to heaven. But this is also the question to each one of us. Where are you going? Saan kayo pupunta? Baka sagutin niyo ako, Father, mamaya kakain kami. O mamaya pupunta kami sa kaibigan. O mamaya uuwi na kami. I am not really asking a physical destination. When we ask today, where are you going? It means, where is your life going? Where is your life heading to? Saan ba papunta yung buhay mo? And hopefully, like Jesus, we can also say, I am going to heaven. Sino pa ba sa atin ang may consciousness na ganyan? Na ang buhay ko ay papunta sa langit. Na ang araw-araw kong buhay ay paglalakbay papunta sa langit. Many times we forget that basic Christian truth that our life here on earth is just a pilgrimage towards our real destination, which is heaven, the Father's home. Kaya sana kapag tinanong tayo, saan ka pupunta? Sana alam nating lahat bilang Kristiyano, lahat tayo pupunta sa langit. Marami po kasing tao ngayon kapag tinanong mo, saan ka pupunta? Saan papunta ang buhay mo? Minsan ang sagot, papunta sa tagumpay. My life is heading to success because that is what I want for my life. I want to be successful. Kaya yung buhay ko papunta sa success. O yung iba pag tinanong mo, saan papunta ang buhay mo? Sasabihin nila sa pagyaman, sa pagsikat, sa pagiging popular, sa pagiging makapangyarihan. Because that is their destination. That is what they want for their life. And it is sad that many times that is only our goal. To be successful, to be rich, to be popular, to be powerful, to fulfill our worldly dreams. Yan lang ang gusto nating mapuntahan. It is even sadder that there are people who no longer believe in heaven. Para sa kanila, ang buhay sa mundong ito ay yun na. Pagdatapos ang buhay sa mundong ito, tapos na. Hanggang dito na lang. Ang langit narito sa buhay ngayon. And so they live their lives as though they are going nowhere. Walang patutunguhan yung buhay kasi ang buhay nila tungkol lang sa ngayon at sa dito. They are no longer dreaming of going to heaven because for them, heaven does not exist. My dear brothers and sisters, today's solemnity of the ascension of the Lord tells us Jesus goes to heaven to tell us that that is also our goal. That should also be our destination, to heaven with Jesus and with the Father. And if that is clear to us, if that is in our consciousness, then that will dictate the way we live our lives here on earth. Kung malinaw sa iyo na ang buhay mo ay papunta sa langit, edi yung buhay mo dito sa mundo dapat naka-align dyan sa pangarap na yan, dyan sa destinasyon na yan, papunta sa langit. And so my whole life will always be oriented to my goal, to be in heaven. Every word I say, every action I do, every choice and decision I make will always be aligned by my desire to be in heaven. Bago ako magsasalita, iisipin ko muna, ito bang sasabihin ko magdadala sa akin sa langit? Bago ako magpo-post o magko-comment sa social media, iisipin ko, ito bang i-share ko? Ito bang sasabihin ko magdadala sa akin sa langit? Bago ako gumawa ng isang bagay, bago ako gumawa ng isang desisyon, tatanungin ko, ito bang gagawin ko? Ito bang desisyon na pipiliin ko magdadala sa akin sa langit? Lahat ng tungkol sa buhay ko ngayon, kahit ang pag-uugali ko, iisipin ko, ito bang ugali kong ito? Dadalhin ba ako nito sa langit? If it will bring you to heaven, then by all means, do it. But if it will not bring you to heaven, then what's the sense of doing it? May that goal, that dream of being in heaven determine how we live our lives here on earth. Jesus ascends into heaven to tell us, see to it that your life on earth will also one day bring you to heaven. You know, my dear brothers and sisters, Jesus today ascends to heaven not to leave us, not to distance himself from us, but to tell us that there in heaven we should all go to. Let that be our common dream, our common goal, to be with Jesus in heaven. And hopefully one day, we will see each other there in heaven.